Barbie, what did you find? Oh my gosh, it's another Daydream sticker. We're just outside of Cody, Wyoming on some BLM land. And it's really pretty here. What is that? It's a Daydream sticker. What is that doing way out here? So we're here in Idaho at a national monument. Checking it out. What is that? It's another Daydream sticker. They're everywhere. So we're here at the Rim Village at Crater Lake. And we're just doing a little view in here. What is that? It's another Daydream sticker. So here we are at the beautiful Pacific Ocean in Oregon. Wait, what is that sticking out of the sand? Oh my gosh, how did that get there? So we're in Nevada, just kind of pulled over, wanted to get a little bit of shot of this view. And wait, what's this on the ground? Another Daydream sticker. They're everywhere. So we're out here on some BLM land, and oh my gosh, how did that get in there? This really pretty little stream right here by our campsite in Colorado. Well, looky there. Honestly, I'm not even surprised. No, no more. No more. I can't take any more. It was just a nightmare.